So today I'm here to share the October surprise sticker kit and a setup in my bullet journal. So before getting into my bullet journal, I'm going to show you this kit, and oh, I am in love with this kit. It is beautiful. It's perfect. It is my colors, everything. I love it. So every month it's packed in this beautiful wrapped tissue paper. And then there have been a lot of changes in this sticker kit, which I really like. Olea also includes tabs now. These, I really enjoy these. So I'm going to use these for my weekly setup. Some half boxes, and look at how gorgeous. Some coloring in stickers. And this pocket is to die for. Look at this beautiful clear pocket. Then in here are sticker flakes. I will open that at the end. We get these beautiful sticky notes. Then these emoji girls, which I always really like. And this is me, and you can personalize your own girl, which is really fun. And I have a link to the sticker kit down below. And you always get some of these cards. And if you use the discount code Kyra20, you can get 20% off your first month. So everything is linked down below for you to check it out. And she also is making other girls right now. I saw on her Instagram. So it's definitely worth checking out. Then this Oets is my husband. So it says me and Oets time, which I really enjoy. Then these beautiful stickers. I really love this geometric pattern. I don't know, I think it's such a soothing, calming kit. And then the full boxes with some gold foil, which I really like. The functional sheet, also with some gold foiling. And another functional sheet with some gold foiling. Then in here are sticker flakes. I'm going to open this bag. So there are some really cool stickers in here. Look how pretty. I love this. This is just gorgeous. So that is the surprise sticker kit. I have pulled out some extra washi, but don't think I'm gonna use it, but just in case I want to use it, because I think I'm going to use these washi strips. And I have pulled out 3 colors of Crayola markers. Camera. It doesn't want to focus. But 3 colors of Crayola markers to set up my weekly spread. I'm going to show you what I did with the September kit, so you have a bit of an idea. So this is this week. We are today, Sunday the 21st of October, and I'm going to set up next week. And this is also made with the surprise stick kit, but this was the September one. So to jump right in, I hope you will enjoy this process, and I will see you all next time. Bye!
you.